Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Epicure, or maybe I should now officially be saying I am a leader with Epicure. So this is amazing. Our team is amazing. Look at how much we have sold. Over 9,000 QV in sales. So that's incredible. Our team works so hard, and I just wanted to hop on to let everybody know kind of what's happening, and to say thank you and to my team for being so amazing. It's not just me working hard, it's my entire team. And the best part is, honestly, that now that everybody's financial situation, everybody's is kind of on a standstill for the most part. It's just so nice to be able to work from home, and my team is all so happy because we are able to make money working from home, hosting cooking classes online, and just giving people healthier eating options. So this is what Epicure is all about. It's not just about selling products that people need or even that people want. It's about teaching people to eat healthier, to save money, and to have just a better cooking experience in the kitchen. So this is extremely exciting. So now as a leader, this is amazing. And I just wanted to hop on to let you guys know that I I don't know if I'm the only one who says this, but I actually never pictured myself being a leader at all. I just didn't think that I could be that person to reach that part of the company, because the more you sell, the more you do, the more you have a team, you get promoted. And I just didn't think that I'd be able to reach leadership level. But of course, we all have to stop thinking that, we should always set ourselves high and just do it. And, if this is something that you want to be. So if you're thinking, oh, geez, Andrea, I completely understand. I don't think I can be a leader either, but I am here to change that and to honestly say, as corny as it sounds, but it's so true. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. It's entirely possible. So not only are you helping people eat healthier, save so much money, and actually like cooking, you're helping people make money. You make money from basically sharing Epicure, from hosting online cooking classes, because we can't even do it in person. You're making money. You are helping other people make money. So the more you share the Epicure experience and even say, oh, and if you want to sign up to do what I do, I can help you. You can make even more money because the more you sell, you're having fun, plus you're making money. So I am here to help anybody who wants to become a leader. I will help you do that. Like, I will help you. I will walk you through that. I will do whatever I can in my power. And the nice thing is too, that if you're with Epicure and within your first 3 months, the more you sell, the more you actually make, plus you also get incentives. You can actually earn your kit, which is about $175. You can earn that money within 3 months, the more you sell. So I will teach you guys, help you guys do all of that. So if you're listening to this and you've been thinking, okay, I'm still not part of Epicure yet, but I've been watching Andrea's videos, I want to be a part, now is the time, because I can honestly help you. If you're looking to make money from home, if you're thinking, oh geez, well, if she can do it, I can do it. Even if you're thinking, I don't think I can be a leader, but I can at least help you make a good income from home. Because as a leader, you make a pretty good income just by doing what you have been doing anyway. And I will talk more about that later. But please let me know if you guys have any questions. I will leave the link to my website on the bottom. Join my group on Facebook, send me a message, and then I will send you some info on our kit, and that's how you can get started. So thank you guys so much for listening. I will talk to you soon.